Good morning, Edwin. Good morning, Gracia. Good morning, Ray. Good morning, Cristo. Good morning, Alfred. Hello, Jose and Dasha. How's your morning? What's the weather like today around you? What's the weather like today? It's rainy? Same with me. Is it rainy?
Yep, rain.
Rainy, yeah. So, are you sleepy? Who is sleepy?
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Della. Who is sleepy now? I think Edwin sleepy, yeah.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, B. Yes.
Miss, yesterday is your birthday. I'm sleepy. Miss.
Good morning, Maulana. Yeah, pardon me, Fidela. What's you say?
Yesterday is your birthday.
Today is your birthday?
No, your birthday yesterday.
Oh, yeah. Yesterday it's my birthday, yeah. Thank you, yeah, Fidela, for your wish and prayer to me. Okay.
Yes, you're welcome, Miss. God bless you.
God bless you too. Okay, kids. Now we will have a new topic, yeah. Even though it's rainy, please don't sleep, ya. I see Edwin already have pillow ya, ada bantal ya di belakang Edwin ya. Awas nanti Edwin ya. Hati-hati ya.
Iya, memang Edwin like Edwin in
Bedroom.
Bedroom.
Ya.
in bed.
Okay, later
In bed.
we watch Edwin ya. We watch Edwin together. Jangan sampai dia sleep ya. If sleep,
Sebenarnya, Miss, this is my auntie already make like this. But I'm not sleep.
Yeah, you have to study, right? Okay, good job, Edwin. Yeah. Okay, you have to focus because this is the last for our topic. And next week we will have review. After that, we will have exam. Yeah. Okay, we will have exam 2 weeks more. Okay, so I just want to suggest you, if you don't understand later this topic, feel free to ask me. Okay, thank you for the students who already sent the assignment. Yeah, but there is some students not sent yet ya, belum mengirim sama Miss ya. Okay, so I hope after Zoom you can send it all because today is the deadline. Yeah, today is the deadline. So I hope you can send it to me. Okay, today you don't have assignment. Tidak ada tugas untuk hari ini. Ya, tugas yang Miss maksud tadi adalah the assignment last week. Okay, so our topic today, we have two topics, yeah. The first is about
What happened? Miss, I can't hear you.
you can hear me?
But it's still mute. I can't hear you, but it's still mute.
Okay, Edwin.
Miss, you unmute, but I can't hear you.
Okay, Edwin, it's better
Is
you.
my connection or what?
Edwin, it's better you out first from Zoom and later you.
I'm not good at my headset.
And later you
But
join.
I can't hear you, Miss.
You cannot hear me?
Oh, this is my headset.
Mm-hmm.
My headset already. But I still make in my computer. I still make in my computer the headset, but I can't hear you.
Just take your headset. No need to use if not good, yeah. Okay, so our topic today.
Miss, my connection is bad.
Yeah, connection is bad. Later you can watch the recorded video ya. Oke, we continue ya kids because our time is later over ya. Nanti waktu kita habis, oke? So,
Ini ada dia pakai stiker nih.
yeah, so our topic the first is about what are the effects of force. Effects itu artinya dampak ya. Dampak. In bahasa dampak itu akibat ya. Misalnya kalau Maulana makan pedas, dampaknya dia sakit perut. Nah, like that ya. So effects itu adalah akibat ya atau dampak. Nah, so what are the effects of force? There are 4. Ada 4 ya. There are 4 the effects of force. How many? 4, right? Yeah. Okay, the first. Yeah, the first. I invite Evelyn to read the first. The first effect. Ini efek yang pertama. And please read, Evelyn.
A force can change the shape of an object when the boy uses the force to press the ball, and the shape of ball gets changed.
Yeah. So when you give a force, in fact, ternyata it can change the shape. Ya, just look at your book page 118. You can see another picture. Kamu bisa lihat gambar yang sama di halaman 118 ya, in page 118 ya. What object you can see? What object you can see in the book page 118? Ya, anyone can tell me what object? Apa nama objek yang kamu lihat in the page 118? Page 118. Yeah, what object you can see?
Sponge and clay, miss.
Yeah, Ella, good job. Sponge and clay. So what happened to the sponge?
Squeezing.
Yeah, it's squeezing ya. Nah, the shape is changed ya. Same with the clay. The clay before is like circle, ya, seperti ball, seperti bola atau lingkaran. But ya, when a children press itu menekan. So pressing also force ya. You already know last week force is like push, pull, press. Press also is a force ya. Hammer, memukul, it's also you give force. Okay, so that is the first effect. Okay, the second effects ada 4 just now Miss Melda said ya. There are 4 effects of shape. Ada 4 dampak dari, ada 4 akibat dari force. Ya. Okay, now look at to this video. Okay, look at before. Before the boy hit the ball, another ball still doesn't move, right? Stop it, right? This is stop, right? Masih berhenti, right? Bolanya, right? Stop moving. Nah, okay. So a boy give a force. So what's happened, Edwin? What happened after the boy hit the ball?
The another ball is moved.
Yes, good job. Another ball is moved. It means the effects of force is change the movement. Change the movement maksudnya mengubah pergerakannya. Ya, before doesn't move, yang awalnya diam.
Sorry ya, Miss. Sisha telat soalnya koneksi Sisha jelek, Miss.
Yes. It's okay ya. Later I send you the recording video ya. Okay, and then the other ball is moving. Nah, so if example Ave, misalnya Ave want to make a chair move. Move itu artinya berpindah ya. Ya, you have to pull ya, pull or push. Okay? Nah, so this is the second. How many just now Miss Melda said effects of force? 4 ya. 4.
For Miss.
Yes, 4. Ya, have to remember ya. Good job. Have to remember ya. Miss Melda bukan sedang mendongeng ya. So you have to listen and remember 4. So and we already learned 2. Now the third. Okay, the third. I invite Maulana to read the slide. This is the third effects ya, efek yang ketiga. Okay, go ahead Maulana, please read.
A force can change the direction of an object, Miss.
Direction, ya. Do you know what is direction in bahasa? Who knows direction in bahasa? Tujuan atau arah, ya. Iya, arah atau tujuan. Nah, the ball is, direction of ball is mendekati the boy, right?
Yes.
Yeah, but when the boy kick the ball is moved to another direction, menjauh jadinya ya, ditolak oleh kakinya. Nah, it means a force can change the direction of an object. Ya. Okay, now what effects, ya? We already studied 3, right? Now the last, ya, this is the 4th. A force can cause an object to stop moving. Okay. Kaylin, can you see the video and then please tell me what you can conclude. Conclude itu kamu simpulkan from the video.
I know it.
What happens to the ball? Yeah, just look at the video. Yeah.
There's a boy. He used force to catch the ball, Miss.
After that, what happened? What the effects? Apa efeknya? Effects
The ball stops.
Iya, the ball stop di tangannya ya. Nah, force can cause an object stop moving. Okay, now open your book in page 119. Okay, Miss Melda have a quiz to you. Yeah, look at the picture in page 119. 119, there are 3, right? There are three picture. Yeah, there are 3 picture. I give the name. For the first is picture 1, next picture 2, and the last picture 3.
It's what, Miss? It's what?
Page 119. Okay, do you find it? Yeah, okay, I repeat one more, yeah. There are 3 picture there. There are 3 picture there. No, not 19. 19, 19. 119.
I got it, Miss.
Okay, so we can start. Okay, there are 3 picture there. And I give the name, the first picture 1, picture 2, and the last picture 3. Okay, so which one? Okay, just look at the, yes, yeah, okay, let's look at the picture. Which one is show? Which one is show? Yang mana yang menunjukkan that effects of force change the direction of an object? Give me thumbs up if you.
I go to high school.
Yes, go ahead, Chesha. Okay, I remind ya, if you want to answer, you just give me thumbs up sticker ya. Okay, look at the picture 1, picture 2, picture 3. After I tell you just now, which one is show the effects of force can change the direction of an object. Okay, Fidela.
I know, Miss. Picture number 1, Miss.
Change the direction.
Maulana, Miss.
Okay, Maulana.
Picture number 2, Miss.
Yeah, picture number 2. Yeah, picture number 2. Okay. Next, which one is show the effects of force that a force can make an object stop? Give me thumbs up.
I know, Miss.
Maulana, Miss.
Okay, Dasya. Maulana already right just now. Already good job ya Maulana. Give a chance to another ya. Ya Dasya. Unmute dear.
Picture number 3, Miss.
Yes, picture number 3. Okay, and the last, which one is show that effects of force can change the movement of object more speed? Ya Edwin.
Miss.
Ya Edwin.
Picture number 1, Miss.
Ya, picture number 1. Ya, jadi picture number 1 itu artinya pertama itu kan geraknya searah seperti ini ya. Ya, oke. Okay, kids. So later you will find the question like that in the exam, but maybe I change the picture, yeah, or another. Okay, we continue to the next topic. Yeah, we continue to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is about what are opposing forces. Opposing forces, what is the meaning of opposing forces? Okay, page 120, I invite
Miss.
Putri Ayla to read page 120.
What are opposing forces? Forces always act in pairs. When there a force acting in one direction, there is an equal force acting in the opposite directions. This force is known as the opposing force. When we push on an object, we feel a force pushing back on us.
Okay. Okay, please underline. Coba garis bawahi. The sentences forces always act in pairs. Ya, underline the first.
Yang mana, Miss?
Ya, the first sentences yang di bawah judulnya itu forces always act in pairs. Itu pas di bawah judulnya ya. Oke, and underline the sentences, garis bawahi kata yang di atas kalimat yang di atas kepala anak itu ya. When we push on an object, we can feel a force pushing back on us. Itu di garis bawahi juga. Nah, oke, ini fisikanya ya, kids. This is physics ya. So opposing force is like this. When who now sit down in chair?
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes.
Just now you say sources always as in the page that is give line, and then one again what, Miss? Just now you say your son is so small.
When we push on an object, we can feel a force pushing back on us. Itu di kalimat itu di atas kepala anak itu ya, yang di atas gambar itu ya. You can find it. Okay, so the example is, Miss, apa sih artinya what are opposing force? Opposing because directionnya, arahnya berbeda. Ya, example. Now you sit down on the chair. Kamu duduk di kursi. Tapi kamu tidak langsung jatuh, right? Why? Because the chair menahan kamu, ya. Jadi kamu tekan dia ke bawah, ya. Your weight, berat badan kamu, your weight pulling down. Pulling down artinya mendorong ke bawah, but you not fall down. Why? Because chair menahan kamu, ya, namanya chair pushing up, ya. Pushing up itu artinya mengangkat atau menahan kita. Itu namanya opposing force. Mereka berpasangan. Ya, look at to my picture. Ini ada dua, ini simbol gaya ya, kids. Ya, ini simbol gaya. In Physics, gaya itu disimbolkan dengan huruf F atau dengan tanda panah. Remember ya? Ya, in Science, force itu disimbolkan dengan huruf F atau dengan tanda panah. Simbolnya ya. Oke, kalau simbol negara Indonesia apa? Lambang negara Indonesia apa? Pancasila, like that, right? Nah, ini juga seperti itu. Karena force itu tidak bisa kita lihat, tapi bisa kita ukur, bisa kita rasakan. Cecia bisa merasakan, right? Kalau ada misalnya benda yang memukul badan kamu, atau mendorong atau menekan. Nah, jadi, ya, itu namanya gaya ya. Jadi opposing force artinya ada dua gaya berpasangan tapi arahnya berbeda. Contoh yang lain apa, Miss? Oke, contoh yang lain. If you throw a ball, ya, ke dinding. Oke, example, you have a ball, ya, misalnya atau bola kasti, kamu lempar ke dinding, kembali nggak bolanya sama kamu?
Kembali, Miss.
Arahnya berbeda kan? Arahnya berbeda, right? It is also opposing force. Menjauhi kamu, terus kenapa ini bisa kembali ke kamu? Why? Because the wall, karena dinding memberi gaya juga, ya. Diberi gaya juga. Jadi meskipun dindingnya nggak bergerak, nggak seperti ini, tapi karena ini menahan tadi, ya, kemudian kembali ke kita. Itu artinya memberikan, itu namanya opposing force, ya. Oke, contoh yang lain, look at your book page 121, halaman 121. Itu contohnya adalah, oke. Ya. Jadi selalu ada dua ya. Oke, when we pull an object, we can feel a force pulling away from us. Nah, jadi opposing force itu ada dua dan arahnya itu berbeda. Oke. Or another example like this. Do you know? Have you ever played tug of war? Tug of war itu tarik tambang.
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
No.
Okay, do you know why I write here and? And ini kita baca dengan Newton ya, Newton. Okay, you can write in your book. Ya, ini memang tidak ada di buku, tapi tambahan saja ya. Ini tambahan dari luar, so later you can know ya. N itu sama dengan Newton. Nah, apa itu Newton, Miss?
Mana tulis? Miss.
Ya,
Mana tulis?
ini di buku paket
Ada satuan gaya, Miss.
Iya, good job. That is adalah satuan gaya. Miss, what is satuan ya? What is satuan? Satuan itu seperti ini kids. Misalnya, Jose disuruh mama untuk membeli gula. So mommy said, Jose, please buy sugar 1 kilograms. Kilograms itu ukurannya, satuannya. Atau misalnya si Amadeo, ya. Oke, Amadeo misalnya mama menyuruh Amadeo, ask Amadeo to buy what? To buy rice misalnya ya, beras ya. Oke. Nah, oke, beras lah kita buat ya. Misalnya dibilang, oke Amadeo please buy 2 kilograms. Or Amadeo bantu mama buat kue. Coba kamu timbang tepungnya 250 grams. Jadi gram itu satuannya, ukurannya sama dengan ini. Kalau gaya itu ukurannya Newton. Berarti Miss, gaya bisa diukur? Yes. Ya, jadi nanti kalau ada di ujian, Miss bilang, manakah kalimat yang benar? Kalau Miss bilang a force can be measured, bisa diukur, that is right ya. Jadi forces can be measured, dapat diukur. Ya, apa Miss alat ukurnya? Alat ukurnya namanya dinamometer.
Newton, Miss.
Ya, oke, good job. Nah, kalau misalnya Miss Belda ask you untuk mengukur panjang buku, you use ruler, right? Nah, if gaya, you use dinamometer, ya. Oke. Nah, so now you look at to the picture, kids. Ya, ini bisa ditulis di notebook atau di buku paket kamu. Ya, ini hanya tambahan dari luar. So that later you kalau sudah kelas 4, kelas 5, wawasannya bertambah ya. Oke. Nah, look at to this picture. What do you think? Whose team will win? Tim mana yang akan menang? Left or right?
Seri, Miss.
Seri. Why Seri?
Karena gaya yang diukur sama, Miss, 300 Newton.
Miss.
Job, benar ya. Ya, so clever ya Delta ini ya. Oke, so because in English sama, you can say equal. Equal itu sama dengan ya. Because the force in the left and the right is equal or balance. Balance itu seimbang. Jadi seri, tidak ada yang menang. How about the second picture? What team? Team left, team right.
Left, Miss.
The left team, Miss.
Ya, left ya, kiri ya. Why? Because how many ukuran gayanya di sini?
400 Newton, Miss.
Newton, Miss.
Miss, Newton itu berasal dari mana? Oke, Newton is a people ya, a person ya. Jadi itu adalah manusia ya. Tapi Newton ini adalah ilmuwan yang meneliti that research about force, gaya ya. Dia sama dengan ilmuwan lainnya like Albert Einstein, like
Miss.
ya.
Miss Newton is Isaac Newton, right, Miss?
Yes, Sir Isaac Newton nama lengkapnya ya, good job, yes. Nah, jadi to appreciate, untuk menghargai karena dia sudah meneliti, namanya dibuat menjadi satuan gaya Newton, ya. Oke. So later if you have a sister already SMP, ya, you can ask what is the apa satuan gaya, like that ya. Oke. Okay, pay attention to this. You also later will find the exam or question like this ya. How if equal, how if unbalanced ya. Nah, Miss gaya itu okay, we already study about gaya berat ya. Jadi semakin besar timbangan seseorang atau semakin besar timbangan benda, semakin besar gaya yang dikasih. Kenapa? Karena ada namanya gaya berat. Ya, ada namanya gaya berat. Jadi gaya berat ini, we can use gaya berat untuk menghancurkan benda misalnya ya. Nah, jadi gaya berat itu berasal dari mana, Miss? Gaya berat itu berasal dari timbangan badan. Jadi Miss Ella punya gaya berat? Punya. Tapi bukan kilogram satuannya, Newton. Ya. Dari mana, Miss? Cara simpelnya like this ya. Kalau Ella timbangan badan Ella how many now?
20.
20 kilograms ya. So your weight, gaya beratmu 200. Tinggal dikali 10 aja. Itulah gaya beratmu. Jadi kalau si Ella duduk di kursi, nah, Ella sudah memberi gaya 200 Newton. Oke, kalau udah
berat badannya 30,
ya Fidela?
kalau berat badannya 31, Miss?
Berarti you just times with 10. Berarti how many Newton?
300 Newton.
300, Miss.
Ya.
300, Miss.
Ya, Miss Melda have mass itu you already know right? Kita belajar massa ya sebelumnya, massa ketika kamu menimbang apel. Jadi kalau kilogram itu namanya bukan berat, kids. Jadi salah ya kalau orang bilang berapa beratnya, salah. Yang benar itu berapa massanya. Jadi massanya si Ella 20 kg, tapi beratnya 200. Ya, itu harus paham ya, kids. Ya. Memang itu pelajaran grade tinggi, tapi kamu sudah bisa ya paham sekarang itu ya. Jadi nanti kalau mama bilang timbang dulu berapa beratnya, ma bukan berat tapi massa ya. Kalau berat itu sudah gaya namanya. Oke, so itu ya beda gaya, beda berat dengan massa. Jadi kalau Miss Melda bilang my massa saya adalah 50 kg. Berat saya adalah 500. Miss, dari mana yang 10 itu? Kenapa dikali 10? Itulah yang ditemukan si Isaac Newton. Namanya itu adalah acceleration of gravity. Percepatan gravitasi. Miss, kalau saya ke bulan, beda lagi dong Miss nanti beratnya. Ya, you will know the answer later ya. Oke, so do you have question? Is clear for you? Ya, kalau hitungan-hitungan tadi tidak keluar di ujian ya, itu hanya tambahan wawasan kamu. Ya, itu hanya tambahan wawasan kamu. Yang keluar tadi di ujian itu adalah
Loh.
Miss.
It's, I'm sorry, I think there is unstable connection with me right just now. Ya, oke. So yang keluar di ujian itu tadi adalah yang seperti yang di slide Miss, materi yang berhubungan dengan slide Miss, PPT Miss. So before you exam, if Miss Melda send you a recording, you can watch ya. Ujian itu banyak Miss ambil dari buku dan juga dari penjelasan Miss ya. So if I give you recorded video, yeah, you can watch it again. Okay, kids, anything else? Any question?
No, Miss. No, Miss.
Miss. We don't have assignment, Miss.
Today don't have assignment, but who students is not send me the last week assignment? Please send ya.
In Miss.
Yeah, I will give
In
the name.
textbook ya, Miss.
Iya, just
In
photo.
text.
Just photo. Yeah.
Oh.
Excuse
me, Miss.
Yeah, Fidela.
I have a question, but can I ask it when we are discuss about our review?
Okay, can just so that if you don't forget, just write in your review paper ya, ditulis here ya Fidela, so you not forget ya.
Yes, Miss.
Yeah. Okay, actually materi about topic about force itu sangat enak ya kids. Ya, later already sudah ada hitung-hitungannya ya. Oke, so that is very interesting ya. Oke. If nothing question, I will take your photo. Okay, open your video kids. Let's retake photo first. Gracia, where is your face? Crystal, why you make like that? Your face, Crystal. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, see you guys. See you dear. See you honey. Have a wonderful day.
See you, Miss. I love you.
See you, Miss.
Bye. See you. Bye. Thank you,
Bye,
Miss.
friends.
Bye.
Thank you, Miss. Bye.
Bye.